Well, hello, welcome to Drawing with Fire. I'm Valarie, your neighborhood pyrography artist, and welcome to day 4, Beauty for World Pyrography Month. For me, I chose owl eyes, as you guys can clearly see, because he's going to be looking back at you by the time we are done. I just wanted to pop in and say, I hope everybody's doing awesome and that you're enjoying World Pyrography Month. Do me a favor, please take notes, what you don't like, what you do like, so we can revamp it for next year. I know this is only from the video from the first week, and I'm already talking about next year, but hey, got to get that planned out early, don't we? So I am using the ball tip to get the eyeball in for the owl. I will be doing both sides. I have tried to slow this down as much as I could. This burning was 1 hour and 41 minutes, and I didn't think anybody wanted to sit for 1 hour and 41 minutes and watch me burn over and over and over again the owl eyes and the little feathers. So I did try to slow it down as much as I could and get some closer up shots so that you can see the detail a little bit more, and off we go. I do want to apologize that I haven't been uploading as regularly for World Pyrography Month as I said I would, but between trying to get the burnings done every day, which we all know I've already been behind on that one, but then also to turn around and have to edit the videos, try to do some voiceovers. I do think I want to do voiceover and music together, so hopefully that works out a little bit better for you and it's a little bit more interesting. It can be a little hard trying to make sure that you guys get all the information that you're looking for, but at the same time not put you to sleep, because burning is very repetitious and building up layers and whatnot. So I'm trying to find that happy medium where, you know, you're entertained and you're learning. Of course, for World Pyrography Month, I'm using my Optimal 1 Dual. I've been using the 18, looks like S and M spear shaders, the small ball tip, the number 12 rounded skew. A lot to remember, and hopefully I got that all right number wise. And this is on my 11 by 14 treacle birch panel. Everything is linked down in the description below. You can find everything I'm using down there, including, I will make sure to link the photo that I used for the owl eyes. And I'm going to now pass you off to some nice music. Happy burning, guys. Thanks. Bye.